Overwhelmed by your to-do list? Let's pause for 1 minute together. In Psalm 46:10, God reminds us to be still and know that I am God. You may be thinking that's easier said than done. I get it, because the things that need your attention are never ending. But here's an invitation from God to trust Him, even in the midst of chaos. Not try to fix everything on your own. Listen, I know sometimes it can feel like if you slow down or stop something will slip through the crack. But the truth is, it's already slipping. Your sleep, your energy, and your cognitive awareness. So today, choose to take one intentional moment to pause. Stop the scrolling, breathe deeply, and remind yourself, God is in control. You don't have to have it all figured out because He's already gone before you and taken care of it. This has been 1 Minute on Purpose. See you tomorrow.